Unit 2 exam review, question number 11. Consider the following sentence. Your monthly cash flow is a function of your income and expenses. Which of the following correctly identifies the inputs and the outputs of this function? So we have our monthly cash flow is a function of our income and expenses. So we're putting in our income and expenses and we're getting out the cash flow. So let's look down here at inputs. Our income and expenses, good. Output, monthly cash flow. So I wish that was last so we could go through all of them. Let's go to the next one though. The input is monthly cash flow. So I'm not inputting the cash flow. We're putting in the income and expenses. So the cash flow is the function of this. So that's our inputs. So we don't even need to go to the next one. The input monthly cash flow, again, I'm not even going to go any further because those are both wrong. And that one's wrong too because we're not putting in the cash flow. The input is expenses. Oh, this would be close except that it says income and expenses are the input, that the cash flow is a function of these. So another way to think about this is f of x, the function of x. This is our x, so that's our input. So you can think of f of x equals something something times x, like what we did with linear and quadratic. The x is the input, and this designates our input of income and expenses.